a world teeming with awe-inspiring natural wonders, from the towering glaciers to the majestic mountains and sprawling plains inhabited by wild creatures, it's hard to pinpoint just a few of Mother Nature's greatest hits. Yet, amidst this vastness, there are some landscapes and phenomena that stand out, beckoning travelers to witness their grandeur firsthand.
Serengeti migration. Located in the heart of East Africa, the Serengeti ecosystem hosts one of the most breathtaking spectacles in the natural world, the Great Migration. Every year, over 1 million wildebeest and hundreds of thousands of zebra undertake a perilous journey across the plains of Tanzania and Kenya in search of greener pastures. This epic migration is a testament to the resilience and beauty of the natural world, offering a glimpse into the timeless rhythms of life on the African savanna. Amazon rainforest is stretching across the vast expanse of South America. The Amazon rainforest is a living testament to the power and beauty of nature. Teeming with life and biodiversity, this sprawling wilderness is home to millions of species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. From towering canopy trees to winding rivers, the Amazon rainforest offers a glimpse into a world of unparalleled beauty and wonder. Ha Long Bay is nestled amidst the emerald waters of northeastern Vietnam. Ha Long Bay is a vision of ethereal beauty. Dotted with thousands of limestone karst islands of varying shapes and sizes, this UNESCO World Heritage Site resembles a scene from a fairy tale. Whether cruising its tranquil waters or exploring its hidden grottos, Ha Long Bay offers a glimpse into a world of timeless enchantment. Grand Canyon is carved by the mighty Colorado River over millions of years. The Grand Canyon stands as a testament to the forces of nature. Stretching for over 277 miles, this awe-inspiring chasm is a sight to behold, its sheer cliffs and vibrant hues casting a spell on all who witness them. Whether hiking along its rim or rafting its mighty rapids, the Grand Canyon offers a glimpse into a world of unparalleled beauty and grandeur. Victoria Falls spanning the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe, Victoria Falls is a thundering testament to the power of nature. With its colossal curtain of water stretching for over 1,700 meters, Victoria Falls is the largest waterfall in the world, earning it the moniker, the smoke that thunders. Nestled amidst lush rainforest, this natural wonder captivates with its sheer beauty and raw power. Mount Bromo rising from the volcanic plains of East Java, Mount Bromo stands as a stark reminder of nature's power and beauty. Belching white smoke from its crater, this active volcano is a sight to behold, surrounded by a sea of fine volcanic sand. Despite its otherworldly appearance, Mount Bromo attracts visitors from far and wide, drawn to its surreal landscapes and awe-inspiring vistas. Great Barrier Reef stretching for over 1,400 miles along the coast of Australia, the Great Barrier Reef is a vibrant underwater ecosystem of unparalleled beauty. Teeming with life and color, this colossal reef system is home to a myriad of marine species, from colorful coral to majestic sea turtles. Whether snorkeling, diving, or simply cruising its turquoise waters, the Great Barrier Reef offers a glimpse into a world teeming with life and wonder. The northern lights painting the night sky with vibrant hues of green, purple, and pink. The northern lights are a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's beauty. Best witnessed in the winter months, away from city lights, these ethereal curtains of light dance across the Arctic skies, casting a spell on all who behold them. From secluded cabins to remote wilderness areas, the northern lights offer a glimpse into a world of wonder and magic. Zhangjiajie National Forest nestled amidst the mist-shrouded mountains of China's Hunan province, Zhangjiajie National Forest mesmerizes with its towering pillars and peaks. Carved by the forces of nature over millions of years, these karst formations rise majestically above plunging ravines and dense forests. Shrouded in myth and legend, Zhangjiajie offers a glimpse into a world where reality and fantasy intertwine. Pamukkale, translated as Cotton Castle in Turkish, Pamukkale is a surreal landscape of white terraces cascading down the hillsides. Formed by mineral-rich hot springs over millennia, these terraces have attracted visitors for thousands of years. Atop these terraces lies the ancient Greek city of Hierapolis, a testament to the region's rich history and geological wonders. Galapagos Islands steeped in natural wonder and biodiversity, the Galapagos Islands are a living laboratory of evolution and adaptation. Home to unique species found nowhere else on Earth, including giant tortoises and marine iguanas, these remote islands inspired Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. From pristine beaches to volcanic landscapes, the Galapagos offer a glimpse into a world where nature reigns supreme.
Sahara Desert stretching across the expanse of northern Africa, the Sahara Desert stands as a testament to nature's extremes. Contrary to popular belief, this vast desert is not solely comprised of sand dunes but also rocky plateaus and barren landscapes. With its stark beauty and unforgiving terrain, the Sahara offers a glimpse into a world untouched by time, where life perseveres amidst the harshest of conditions. Iguazu Falls spanning the border between Argentina and Brazil, Iguazu Falls captivates with its thundering cascades and mist-shrouded cliffs. Comprising some 275 individual falls and drops, this natural wonder is a sight to behold, with Devil's Throat Canyon serving as its crowning jewel. Whether viewed from the Brazilian side's viewing platform or experienced up close on a boat trip, Iguazu Falls leaves an indelible impression on all who witness its power and beauty. Yellowstone, America's oldest national park, Yellowstone, unfolds like a tapestry of natural wonders, boosting geysers, hot springs, and majestic waterfalls. From the iconic Old Faithful to the vibrant hues of the Grand Prismatic Spring, Yellowstone's geological marvels never cease to amaze. Teeming with wildlife and dotted with scenic trails, this iconic park offers endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Salar de Uyuni nestled amidst the Andes Mountains of Bolivia, Salar de Uyuni stands as the largest salt flat on Earth, transforming into a mesmerizing expanse of white during the dry season. Yet, it is during the rainy season that this otherworldly landscape truly comes to life, as the salt flat is transformed into a mirror-like surface, reflecting the azure skies above. A surreal and enchanting destination, Salar de Uyuni offers a glimpse into a world of wonder and beauty. Banff National Park, Canada's oldest national park, Banff, unfolds like a masterpiece of nature's design amidst the breathtaking splendor of the Canadian Rockies. Home to pristine lakes, towering peaks, and verdant forests, this wilderness sanctuary attracts millions of visitors year-round. Whether skiing in winter or hiking in summer, Banff offers endless opportunities for outdoor adventure and exploration. The Maldives dotted like emerald gems amidst the azure expanse of the Indian Ocean, the Maldives archipelago epitomizes tropical paradise. With its warm, inviting climate and idyllic beaches, this low-lying island nation beckons travelers to indulge in the art of relaxation. From underwater villas to overwater bungalows, the Maldives offers a wealth of luxurious accommodations, providing the perfect backdrop for romantic escapes and tranquil retreats. Lake Baikal nestled amidst the rugged wilderness of Siberia, Lake Baikal stands as a shimmering jewel of unparalleled beauty. Renowned for its crystal-clear waters and pristine shores, this ancient lake holds the distinction of being the deepest and oldest on Earth. Whether glistening in the summer sun or cloaked in a winter's embrace, Lake Baikal captivates with its timeless charm, offering a sanctuary for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Wadi Rum nestled amidst the arid expanse of southern Jordan, Wadi Rum enchants with its surreal and ethereal landscapes. Far from the stereotypical image of rolling sand dunes, this desert valley boasts towering sandstone mountains and granite cliffs, their reddish-orange hues lending an otherworldly quality to the scenery. A heaven for adventure seekers, visitors can traverse the desert on camelback, camp beneath the star-studded sky, and immerse themselves in the timeless allure of this desert wilderness. Pulpit Rock, perched on the southwestern shores of Norway, Pulpit Rock stands as a testament to the forces of nature. Carved by glaciers during the last ice age, this sheer cliff rises 604 meters above the azure waters of Leifsfjorden, offering panoramic vistas of the surrounding landscapes. Despite its vertigo-inducing heights, Pulpit Rock attracts droves of visitors eager to witness its breathtaking beauty firsthand. Mount Everest as the loftiest peak on Earth, Mount Everest beckons adventurers and thrill-seekers from across the globe. From seasoned mountaineers to novice climbers, scaling Everest represents the ultimate challenge and achievement. Despite the inherent risks posed by altitude sickness, treacherous weather, and ferocious winds, the allure of conquering this formidable peak remains irresistible, drawing intrepid souls to its icy slopes year after year.
Napali coast is carving a rugged and untamed swath along Kauai's northwest shore. The Napali coast captivates with its towering cliffs and hidden beaches, rising to heights of 1,200 meters above the crystalline waters of the Pacific Ocean. This coastline is a testament to nature's raw power and beauty. Accessible only by foot, kayak, or helicopter due to its formidable terrain, the Napali coast has served as a backdrop for numerous cinematic masterpieces, further cementing its allure. Giant's Causeway is perched at the base of steep cliffs along Ireland's northeast coast. The Giant's Causeway presents a geological marvel that appears almost too perfect to be of natural origin. Comprising hexagon-shaped basalt columns, this honeycomb formation is the result of 60 million years of tectonic activity, lava flows, and erosion. Trails winding along the cliff tops offer panoramic vistas, while a descent to sea level unveils the majesty of this unique formation. Angel Falls is tumbling off the summit of a tabletop mountain in Venezuela. Angel Falls reigns as the tallest waterfall on the planet, an awe-inspiring sight to behold, plummeting a staggering 807 meters uninterrupted, with additional cascades and rapids adding to its total height of 979 meters. This natural wonder casts a spell on all who lay eyes upon it. Nestled within the remote confines of Kanama National Park, accessing Angel Falls requires effort, but the breathtaking scenery makes the journey more than worthwhile.